With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is the essence of Rivet Popper hypothesis is. Options given are the current species extinction rates are estimated to be 100 to 1000 times faster than the pre-human times. Species diversity decreases as we move away from equator towards the poles. Area rich in endemic species might be sites of active speciation. Loss of keystone species affects the functioning of ecosystem severely. So firstly we will understand the Rivet Popper hypothesis, then we will see what does that mean, what is the essence for that. Here we will understand about the Rivet Popper hypothesis. So this hypothesis that was proposed by the Paul Ehrlich. It was proposed by the Paul Ehrlich. He was the scientist who proposed this hypothesis. As per this hypothesis states that if we'll talk about any airplane that is made up of the millions of rivets. These are made up of the millions of rivets, and these proper joining of rivets that is required for the functioning of that plane. We can say that the proper joining of rivets that is required for the functioning of the plane, that is required for functioning. Now if these rivets that will be pop out or we can say that the pop out of the rivets, that will lead to the, if the rivets in the small amount they will come out, it will not impact. If the large number of rivets, and specifically the more specific one which is required for the proper functioning of the aeroplanes, that will come out, it will lead to the improper functioning, and that or we can call it as a loss of loss of functioning of the aeroplane. So that was the Rivet Popper hypothesis. Now in that case he has compared this aeroplane with the ecosystem. That aeroplane, it is being compared with the ecosystem, and that rivets that is being compared with the species richness. These are compared with the species richness. Species diversity, species richness means, now here we will see the broader terminology in terms of ecology. Species are required for the proper functioning of the ecosystem. All species, they in a together form, they are properly required for functioning of the ecosystem. But if the pop out of rivets occur, or in other words we can say that the extinction of the species occur, pop out of rivet that represent the extinction of species occur, that will affect the functioning of the ecosystem, that impact the functioning of the ecosystem. So it means for proper functioning of the ecosystem, large biodiversity of species is required. If it will be impacted, extincted, functioning will be impacted. Now that is the essence of the Rivet Popper hypothesis. Here we will see current species extinction rates are estimated to be 100 to 1000 times faster than the pre-human time. It is not something here they have mentioned about any of the extinction rate. That is incorrect. Species diversity decreases as we move away from equator towards the pole. That is also incorrect. Areas rich in endemic species might be sites of active speciation. That is also incorrect. Loss of keystone species, extinction of keystone species affects the functioning of the ecosystem. That is very perfectly essence of the Rivet Popper hypothesis, that extinction of the species that will impact the functioning of the ecosystem. So we can say that option D, that is the correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.